wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the show. And first of all, I would like to apologize for my voice because I got a cold over the weekend, but that's not gonna stop the show. And today is a special one because we're driving over our new home, Reliable Marine, and they are Miami's #1 Suzuki dealer. So call them up to get the best deal in town. If you're looking to repower or just service your warranty on your Suzuki, come on over. And if you bought a Suzuki somewhere else and you need some warranty work, they can do it for you because they are a direct factory authorized dealer. And we're taking the Island Hopper to Reliable Marine because we're putting a brand new 200 Suzuki. And now we get to speak with the man in charge, Ruben himself. All right, guys, welcome to the show. Ruben, the owner of
How you doing?
Reliable Marine in Miami. And this is gonna be our new home here in Miami. So now if you guys are looking to repower with Suzuki, you gotta come here at Reliable Marine. We're gonna take you guys around the shop, and at the same time, the Island Hopper is getting re-rigged here at its new home. And the first thing they're gonna do is put it in one of the bays to start de-rigging the Mercury off the transom. And something that I noticed right away and I liked is that they put cardboard on the working spaces of the boat, protecting the gel coat from scratching if by accidentally they drop a tool. And now they're gonna dismount the driving system and take the engine off the transom. And here we have it, the brand new 200 horsepower Suzuki. And we decided to put a 200 to get a better cruising speed because we are planning to do further trips than before.
And we got the main man in the house. And look at this.
And we also threw in a jack plate to get a better chance to do some fishing in the flats. And now we have to run the new Suzuki harness through the hull. And the repower and re-rigging took 2 days to do, but now she's all finished up and it's time to clean her up and do a water test. And hopefully we can reach a better cruising speed and top end because we did add 50 horsepower more. Well, a goodbye to the 2-stroke noise and welcome to the 4-stroke sound. And this is a 4-cylinder, but yet it sounds like my V6 on the 300 on the Hydro Sport. And the Island Hopper is all cleaned up and it's time to do the water test. We're gonna trailer her to Black Point Marina. And maybe Alfred's there and we can say hi to him. And I've been living in Miami all my life and this is gonna be the second time I ever visit and launch off Black Point Marina. And we're not the only ones doing a water test because Ruben repowered 4 boats this week and we all met up at the marina to do the water test all at the same time.
How you doing, man? Okay, here we go, the Island Hopper. Getting ready for the water test. Y mira quién está fuera del agua. Mira quién está fuera del agua. Olomar en la casa aquí conmigo. chilling today. All right, so we got here Danny, also repowered with Reliable Marine. How you doing, Danny, man? Nice to meet you.
Good, man.
What you got? What you got?
No, 300.
Uh-oh. You ready to go? Oh, and they got power pole. I got to get a power pole for mine, but
I'm getting you one. I'm waiting for you guys here.
there you go, man. So how do you like it? How you like the Suzuki?
Good, man. I love it.
What did you used to have before?
250 Yamaha.
Ah, so you're like me. I'm Mercury, went to Suzuki. Your Yamaha went to Suzuki. Suzuki's killing the market, baby.
Yeah, man. Stuff everything over.
Yeah. So we're here. We're all gonna water test the boat, and we got who we got here? Alamar and La Gasa. You guys remember him? He was hanging out with me at the Elliot Key Sandbar party. Ahí jodiendo la jodera. So now he's coming with us today on the ride. Probably gonna go with me, right?
Yep.
Yeah. See, we're gonna hit about 105 on mine. So he's my co-pilot. All right, guys. So let me show you right away. Look at this. We got a brand new dash system made by Salt Works here in Miami. That works with Reliable. Check out that new GPS. We're still gonna keep the old one because we want to keep the dual system. So here we go. If you guys remember the dash, this is the new dash system right now. New throttles, new C-Star system, and here it is, the Suzuki, baby. Now we got the little brother to the Hydro. We got him now with the Suzuki at 200. So we got a 50 extra horsepower. And you know what we got? We got a little surprise for you guys. Look what we got. Yes, sir. We got to install a jack plate. You know why I got a jack plate? Because my kids want a rooster tail. They like cruising around and having that, you know, that little water squirting in the back. And honestly, I like to do it myself too. But let's give it a test run. GPS turned on. Let's do it. Here we go. There we go. There it is, baby. I missed the sound of two-stroke, but the Suzuki sounds even better. There it is, buddy. Look at that. Super quiet. There. And that's all thanks to Reliable Marine. Check them out, baby. Something else that I got to tell you for Suzuki owners. It doesn't matter if you bought the Suzuki up north or another state, the warranty could be serviced at Reliable too. So a lot of people think they got to take it back to the same dealer, but no, you could take it to Reliable and they could do your service there for extended warranty. Well, today is going to be the water test for the Island Hopper. We're going to see how it runs, baby.
And we have Gustavo coming along with us for the ride, and he also has a YouTube channel in Spanish in Miami called Alamar Miami. Go check him out. And right away I'm loving the shifting into reverse because the Mercury gave a big clunk and now it's quiet and smooth. And we were looking for Alfred, but he wasn't here, but his cameraman was.
All right, so we got Alamar with me. Remember, he's my co-pilot because we're gonna hit about 105 today. No, I'm just joking. Well, we used to do 45 with 150 Mercury. We're hoping to hit at least 50 with the new 200 Suzuki. We'll see. We'll see, and I guess you guys will see. Let's go with the show. Aquí, en el agua con Alamar.
And we are doing our first run, testing out a 4-blade Suzuki prop, but right away we noticed the engine revved up to its limits too fast, so we knew the propeller was too small and had to go to a bigger pitch, and we got up to 47 miles an hour. After a few runs, we headed back to the ramp to change the propeller, but this time we're gonna try a 3-blade.
So what are we doing? We're changing props because it was too small?
Yeah, we're getting a bigger pitch on there.
So
actually, bigger everything, bigger diameter, bigger everything.
Oh, okay. Also, we're gonna reach 105 today.
We're gonna put a bigger pitch prop to get less RPM, yeah?
Because it's
more speed.
More speed. Uh-oh. That's the key word, more speed.
Yeah, because we over wrapped. We thought maybe a 4-blade would have worked out great on this boat, but we're gonna go back to the 16 diameter.
So this is 16 by what?
By 21.5.
Oh, it's pretty big. Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna see now. We'd rather be over on pitch and then know what we need to come down on, then hit the rev limiter again and we have no idea where we need to go.
Gotcha.
So we just went, we originally was gonna run a 16 by 20, but then we decided to go with the 4-blade, which was not a good call, but hey, it's all trial and error, man.
Yep.
So now we're gonna go back to the 16, but 21.5.
Okay. Looks good.
Remember, this motor's got a very high gear ratio. That's why it turns a lot of pitch. and it's got a lot of air on the blade. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're heading back to the water, but we gotta take in consideration there's a lot of winds and there's a little chop, so that might hurt our top end. Plus it's a brand new motor, so you can't keep it full throttle for a long time. And by the look of things, this propeller works much better, and this is surprising to me that a 3-blade is working better than a 4-blade. Right now we're cruising at 49.5, and we don't have the jack plate up nor the trim out. I think once we break in the motor and keep it at a longer pace at high speed and play around with the trim and jack plate, we could reach in the mid 50s. It wasn't 105 what I was hoping for, but we got at least half of that. So remember guys, if you're looking to repower, do it with Reliable Marine. They have most motors in stock. Call them up, get a quote, and schedule an appointment. And join us, the Suzuki family from Reliable Marine. Until next time, I'll catch you guys out in the water.